Okay, we're going to get going here in a little bit. I'm a little bit early. Um, I still have 6 um, teams available. They're listed on the website. If you come on, if you want in on those, the deal's listed, and I'd like to clear them all. Um, Product does cost. Somebody asked if what do I do with the cards. I'm a collector. If they don't sell, I'll keep them, but I'd rather you get them, especially if we get hits and those. I hate to bring home hit. I don't hate to bring home hits, but I hate to in lieu of my customers getting those. Hey Dan, good to see you or have you on again. And if you can hear me, just give me a thumbs up or something. Let me know that you can hear me. It's a little early yet, so got a few minutes to go. If nobody else comes, it'll just be you and I. All right, awesome. There's a little lag time if you can't tell, but um, glad to have you here, and I hope you do well. I was saying when you came on that I have 6 teams left, and they're blank up there. The Orioles, the Rockies, the Twins, the Pirates, and the Rangers. And I'd let those all go for all 6 of them for $21, or if somebody wants them at $4 a piece, or 2 for 7. If you're interested, they are available. And before we get started, why would be a good time to take care of that. If not, why we'll get going. It's going to be, I think it's going to be fun. I haven't broken any gallery, so it's going to be a fun time for me. I have liked this in years past. I think it's a quality product, and I know there's a whole bunch of one of ones that are listed in the Beckett's. So hopefully we'll get a one of one. That's really a rare thing, but who knows? Maybe it's our lucky night. Well, we can always hope. I don't even I don't care too much who gets it. It'd just be nice to have somebody come up with one. This is going to be a kind of a lengthy process because there's 100 cards in each of these. So, and I do like to show my cards. I think you saw part of that break we did, just testing out the football Sage cards, and I do like to show the cards. I like to look at the cards as we're breaking them. So, but I'll try not to take too long. Try not to linger too long over it. So, I see there are 3 people watching. So far, Dan's the only one that showed up on my screen. So if I see you come in, I'll see your name pop up, then I'll say hi to you. Tony, good to have you on here, Tony. We have a few minutes. We'll just wait for everybody to get here. Hopefully there'll be a good group tonight. So I was just saying there's a lot of one-of-ones in this product, and so it would be awesome if we got some. I know that they're one-of-one, so they're hard to get, but it would be awesome if we could. And so I'm hopeful we're going to have some, like, a good hot break as far as what we get. All right. Yeah. Lou Bob Roberts. Yeah, that's right. You got the White Sox. Tony's got a few teams, but the Mariners, I saw you. That was the first one you came in on, I think. And so I hope you get Kyle Lewis. I'm a Mariner fan too, and those two guys, it was neck and neck for that Rookie of the Year award. So it's good. They both had good rookie campaigns. I'm excited to see these cards firsthand. I've seen pictures of them, but I haven't opened any. So I have a few in my stacks, but I haven't gotten to them. Yes, this will replay afterwards. This will, I'll post it to this site, and I'll post it to our YouTube site. So I go through the cards slow enough so you can see what they are. I call out who they are and what team also. But if you're not able to be here for the whole thing, then you should be able to get it on Facebook or on our YouTube site. All right. Wow, I hope you get one tonight. I'll be as excited as you are just to pull one. I love to pull autographs. In fact, I collect autographs. So I have an extensive collection. It's one of my little side things I do. So I'm like a big kid, I guess, at heart when it comes to baseball and baseball players, and especially memorabilia, autographs and things. I really like them. I think the patch cards and the swatch cards are cool. Some people, they don't carry a big high premium, so some people are disappointed. I think they're really cool. So hopefully we'll get some good ones. So there's 2 autos in each of these boxes, so there's a chance. There's a chance we could get a Lou Bob, Luis Roberts autograph as well. So wouldn't that be awesome if we got both? That's probably more than you can ask for. So we'll get started in just a minute. All right, looks like it's 5:30 here, 7:30 on the west coast, 10:30 on the east coast. So we're going to get started because it's late back there. I'm out here in Hawaii, so it's still the afternoon. Here we go. We got box number 1. Thanks for buying in, everybody, and participating in this. Hopefully it'll be fun for you, and hopefully you'll do well as well. Oh yeah, Aquino would be good as well. Any of the rookies that have shown us what they can do would be awesome. All right, first box. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Wow. Oh, there is a box loader in these. I did not realize that. Somebody asked me that earlier, and I told them I didn't think so. I didn't see that listed on the outside of the box. I should have looked in the cardboard gold or something to see. Anyway, box is empty. Box number 1. We got a whole bunch of packs. We'll set them up here. What do you think? Should we open the box loader first, or should we save it till last? I'll open it whenever. If one of you wants me to open it up front, I'll open it as soon as I see it on the screen. Otherwise, we'll save it. All right, here we go. Pack number 1. Good luck, everybody. Let's have a good break. Let's see some great cards in this one. Oh, we started off well. For the Braves, Ronald Acuna Jr. That's never a bad card. For Tampa Bay, Blake Snell. For the Angels, we have a rookie card, Matt Thaiss. Matt Thaiss. Oh, there we go. Hall of Famer Cal Ripken Jr. Cal Ripken Jr. Oh, and that one is nobody bought. Okay. All right. And then we have J.D. Martinez for the Boston Red Sox. Boston Red Sox. Lewis got that one. All right. And Matt got that Acuna right up front. Hey, Eddie. Good to have you on. Thanks for joining us. Eddie Garcia. Been involved in some of our breaks in the past and hopefully will be in the future. All right. Next we have a rookie card for the Oakland Athletics, and it is Sean Murphy. He had a pretty good year. Then we have for the Twins, Jose Barrios. And then we have for the Dodgers, Big Red, Dustin May, another proven rookie. I will sleeve these afterwards, but there's so many cards I want to get through them. I'll sleeve them. I'll top load those really good rookies and hits. Then we have Freddie Freeman for the Braves. So Freeman to go along with that Acuna. That's never a bad deal. He had a great year. Then for the Texas Rangers, we have another rookie card, Nick Solak. Pack number 2. Come on, let's heat it up here. All right. For the St. Louis Cardinals, we have Paul Goldschmidt. Paul Goldschmidt, St. Louis Cardinals. And then we have Chris Bryant for the Cubs. Chris Bryant for the Cubs. And we have Salvador Perez for the Kansas City Royals. Salvador Perez. And we have a Topps Gallery Heritage, Paul Goldschmidt. Paul Goldschmidt. So 2 goldies in that one. And then we have Vladimir Guerrero for the Blue Jays. Vladimir Guerrero. All right. For the Astros, Lance McCullers Jr. For the A's, we have Jesus Luzardo, rookie card. That's not a bad one. Oh, then we got a shiny one. Alex Young, rookie card. And that is a silver. It's not serial numbered. Anyway, it's a foil card. Very good. I'm going to put that one in a sleeve right now, though, because I don't want the foil to get damaged from handling at all. They scratch easily. And I'm a collector, so I like to take care of the cards. All right. Then we have Patrick Sandoval, rookie card for the Angels. And underneath of that is our first autograph. I think. Yep. Oh, it's signed by the artist. It's a Chris Bryant. It's an original art card. I better sleeve that one. It's got blue ink on the back of it. I don't want to. That's hand signed by the artist, Dan Gorman, and it's a picture of Chris Bryant of the Cubbies. So Lewis, you picked up the Cubs at the 11th hour, and you're rewarded with that one. All right, next pack. Here we go. Come on. Let's see some big ones here. Oh, saw an upside down one, which usually means an autograph. That's what I thought the last one was. I guess it was an autograph of the artist. This is Ryu, Hyunjin Ryu from the Blue Jays, formerly of the Dodgers. Okay, then we got Kyle Schwarber with the Cubbies. Oh, then we have another silver card. Byron Buxton for the Twins. Byron Buxton. And I'm going to sleeve that one. These will get top loaded, but I don't want to take the time right now because we have a lot to go. All right, then we have Jonathan VR. Jonathan VR. And that's, let's see, is he plays for the Marlins, I think. Yep, for the Marlins. Then our first autograph, player autograph. Josh Van Meter, rookie for the Reds. Josh Van Meter. Well, it isn't a Aquino, but it's not a bad one. Josh Van Meter, good prospect. I think he's done pretty well. Josh Van Meter, congratulations, Tony. All right, next up. There we go. All right, we've got Colin Moran for the Pittsburgh Pirates. Then we have a rookie card, Zach Gallen for the Diamondbacks. Then we have Junior Fernandez for the St. Louis Cardinals, rookie card. Then we have, behind that, Buster Posey for the Giants. And that is Topps Gallery Heritage. Buster Posey. Nice hit. All right. And then we have Lane Thomas. Lane Thomas for the Cardinals. Been a pretty good Cardinals break. A lot of Cardinals. Then we have for the Boston Red Sox, Rafael Devers. Rafael Devers. And for the Twins, no, for the Texas Rangers, sorry, Corey Kluber. Corey Kluber. Then for the Cincinnati Reds, Trevor Bauer. Then we have another silver card, Ozzie Albies for the Braves. Ozzie Albies for the Braves. And like I said before, I'm going to sleeve that one. All right. All right, then we have a Master and Apprentice. Oh, that's a sweet looking card. Master and Apprentice for the Mets, for the New York Mets. And that is, let's see, Scott H. You got that one. New York Mets, Master and Apprentice. Very nice. DeGrom and Alonso. All right. Then we got Shane Bieber. Shane Bieber for the Cleveland Indians. Guy had quite a year. Then we got Anthony Kay. Anthony Kay for the Blue Jays. Anthony Kay. And Cesar Hernandez. Cesar Hernandez for the Indians. Then we got Marwin Gonzalez for the Twins. Another Master and Apprentice, this time for the Cubbies. Master and Apprentice. Let's see who we got on there. Chris Bryant and Ron Santo. Then we got for the Yankees, Luis Severino. Not a very flattering picture. Must have just got a strikeout though. Alright, let's see what we got here. Miguel Cabrera for the Detroit Tigers. Miguel Cabrera. Jesus Tinoco for the Colorado Rockies. Rookie card. Then we got Whit Merrifield. He's a great young player, good hitter for the Kansas City Royals. Whit Merrifield. And we got modern artists. It looks like Vlad Guerrero Jr. And we've got Marcus Stroman for the New York Mets. Marcus Stroman. All right, come on. Let's see some big boys, some big rookies. Christian Walker for the Arizona Diamondbacks. Sam Hilliard rookie card for the Colorado Rockies. Shohei Ohtani. This one's got a green stripe across it. This is a green, some kind of a green camo. Shohei Ohtani and it's numbered. See if you can see that. 21 out of 99. Shohei Ohtani for the Angels. Then we've got a modern artists. Gleyber Torres, modern artist for the Yankees. And Elvis Andrus for the Texas Rangers. Oh, then we have a featured artist card. Set that one aside. I didn't know there was one of those in here. All right. Picture of the guys who drew them. Then we have Mauricio Dubon for the Giants, rookie card. We have Max Muncy for the Dodgers. And that one is... No, that's just a regular one. Then we have Jacob deGrom for the Mets. Then Josh Bell for the Pirates. And Matt Kemp for the Marlins. Guy's been around for a while. All right. Next pack. Noah Syndergaard for the Mets. Mike Tauchman for the New York Yankees. Behind that, we've got a foil card. Bo Bichette rookie foil. Ooh, that's a sweet card. And I don't know if you like Hall of Famers, but for the Reds, Johnny Bench, one of the masters, it says at the bottom, Johnny Bench. For the Reds. Part of that big red machine. And then Dario Agrazal for the Tigers. Rookie card. All right, we're starting off with an Athletics, Oakland Athletics, Seth Brown, rookie card. Then Dean Dietz. Dean Dietz for the Astros, I think. Yes, Houston Astros. Yordan Alvarez for the Houston Astros, rookie card. Not an auto. but it's a good card. Oh, then we have an impressionist, Buster Posey for the Giants. Buster Posey. That's a pretty card. That's sweet. And then Andres Munoz for San Diego Padres. Andres Munoz. A lot of rookies in this. All right, for the Oakland Athletics, we have Matt Chapman. And for the Phillies, Andrew McCutchen. For Kansas City Royals, Jorge Soler. Then we have another foil card for Tampa Bay Rays, Yoshi Tsutsugo, rookie card. Then for the New York Yankees, this is a good one, Aaron Judge. Always a good card. I don't understand in the COVID year why his cards values started to drop. I can't for the life of me figure out. He's been injured, but he's still a prolific home run hitter. For the Astros, Alex Bregman. For the Yankees, Tommy Conley. And a rookie card for Detroit, Travis Demeritte. And then an Eloy Jimenez Gallery Heritage card. That's a sweet card. He had a good year. And then Byron Buxton for the Twins. All right, George Springer for the Astros. DJ Stewart for the Orioles. Francisco Lindor for the Cleveland Indians. Bo Bichette, Gallery Heritage. Oop. And a Buster Posey base card for the Giants, San Francisco Giants. All right, next for San Diego, Eric Hosmer. For the Cubs, Anthony Rizzo. Right behind it is another Anthony Rizzo, and it's the foil card. Then we have Masters and Apprentice for the White Sox. Luis Robert and Frank Thomas. Well, it's not the Roberts loan card, but it's still a cool card, and it's still a Roberts. So for the White Sox. Then for the Seattle Mariners, Shed Long. Wow, there haven't been many Mariners in this box. All right. Then for the Pirates, Nick Birdie. And for the Indians, a rookie, James Karinchak. Is it Karinchak or Karinchak? I don't know. All right. Did the best I could. Then for the Houston Astros, Framber Valdez. Another Masters and Apprentice. And this one is for the Astros. And this has Jeff Bagwell and Yordan Alvarez. That should be a good one. All right. Then for the Braves, Ozzie Albies. 2 packs to go in this box. Does that artist autograph count as one of our autographs, I wonder? I hope not. For the Cubs, rookie Robel Garcia. And then for the Nationals, Juan Soto. And we got another foil card, Chris Sale for the Boston Red Sox. Chris Sale. Then we got a Mitch Keller for the Pirates. Mitch Keller. And we got Ryan Yarbrough for Tampa Bay. Ryan Yarbrough. Last pack of this box. Here we go. Come on, let's have a big hit in this one. Well, we got a Bo Bichette rookie for the Blue Jays. We got a Chris Sale. Chris Sale for the Boston Red Sox. We got a Yoshi Tsutsugo for the Tampa Bay Rays. Almost said Buccaneers. Been calling football lately. Then we got, Hall of Fame, Ken Griffey Jr. for the Mariners. Oh man, we used to go see him live. He was so much fun to watch. Then we got a regular Shohei Ohtani. Go with that green one. I'm going to sleeve that green one. It's got a serial number on it. So there's this regular one to go with it. All right. And now the box loader. Let's see what this... All right, here we go. For the Pittsburgh Pirates, Roberto Clemente. Roberto Clemente. All right, box number 2. Come on, we got to do better. We got to get some Roberts. We got to get some Kyle Lewis. I do want to see one of those autographs of one of those big, young rookies. Got the box loader. And one stack. Yeah, I know. Mine too. I actually loved the Pirates back then when he was on them. I rooted for him. I remember in the World Series. That's it for that box. All right, here we go. Griffey was your childhood hero. Yeah, I'm an old man, so, but I'll tell you what, I loved to watch him. He loved the game. He played all the time like he just was having so much fun. Okay, Pablo Lopez for the Marlins. Pablo Lopez. And Jose Altuve for the Astros. Mitch Moreland for the Boston Red Sox. Oh, here we go. Astros. Hall of Famer Nolan Ryan. That guy was amazing. And there's not an autograph, but Aristides Aquino. All right. He did get you a rookie card. We used to go to the Mariners games when they'd shave your head in the parking lot and give you free tickets for Buhner Buzz night. And it was so much fun. You get to sit right in that lower level, right just above Griffey and Buhner, right in right center. Framber Valdez, Houston Astros. One of my boys got his first haircut in the parking lot of the old Kingdome at one of those days. Okay, Robel Garcia again for the Cubs, rookie. And TJ Zeuch, rookie, foil. I don't know if they call those a rainbow foil or not, but definitely a foil card. Then Yadier Molina. This guy's an amazing player. I hope the Cardinals can sign him back again. And Jordan Montgomery for the Yankees. It makes me sad to think that might be the last year that we see Yachty in Cardinal red. For the Washington Nationals, another Juan Soto. And another for the Braves, another Ronald Acuna Jr. Did you go to the Kingdome, Tony? Hey, Matthew. Good to see you on here. Oh, you got to watch Yachty? Blake Snell from the Tampa Bay Rays. And another Hall of Famer for the New York Yankees, Lou Gehrig. Oh, sweet. Yeah, I like the old Kingdome. I know a lot of people didn't like it, but I really liked it. For the Phillies, JT Realmuto. Are you from the Seattle area, Tony? From Washington? I never noticed where you're from, but did you grow up there? We lived in eastern Washington for a long time, so we used to go over. All right, for the Phillies also, Rhys Hoskins. There's a great young slugger. Got a sweet swing. And for the Athletics, Sean Murphy rookie card. And for the Twins, Jose Barrios. And for the Washington Nationals, apprentices, Victor Robles. Victor Robles. Oh, I wish I could have gone to that game. Some of my relatives went. I think my brother was at that game. So, oh, cool. That's a nice area. Do you live north or south of Seattle? Mike King for the Yankees, rookie card. Either one, it's just a beautiful area. The Seattle area. I lived for a while up at Lake Easton, up in the mountains. And that was a beautiful place. I'd drive into Seattle on my days off. For the Angels, Matt Thaiss, rookie card. For the Cardinals, Goldie, Paul Goldschmidt. Ooh, this is a different one. This is a green Hall of Fame, and it's numbered. Let me lay it down here. Lay these down. See if you can see that. Number 61 of 250. Mike Schmidt for the Phillies. Mike Schmidt for the Phillies. All right. Lewis. That's a pretty good hit. And then we got Chris Bryant for the Cubbies. Kris Bryant for the Cubbies. And we got Jaylin Davis rookie card. I think he's with, yeah, the Giants. I thought he was. Jaylin Davis. All right, next pack. Come on, let's see some fire out of this one. We want to see some good ones. All right, for the Dodgers, Dustin May, another Dustin May rookie card, big red. Can't tell why they call him that by that picture, can you? Then we got Lance McCullers Jr. again. Lance McCullers Jr. And we got a Jack Flaherty for the Cardinals. And he is an amazing pitcher, amazing talent. Jack Flaherty, and that's a foil card, so I'm going to sleeve that one right now so it doesn't get any scratches on it. Okay, then we got our next autograph. Seth Brown, rookie for the Oakland Athletics. Seth Brown. Kerry G got that one. Seth Brown. That's a nice, it's a green one too. Numbered to, it's number 3 out of 99. 3 out of 99. Those will get top loaded along with many of those good rookies that we saw that have already proved out. Eloy Jimenez, regular card, base card. Again, great performer this year. He's been getting better and better, living up to his expectations. All right. Here we go. We've got Jesus Luzardo, rookie card for the Athletics. Colin Moran for the Pirates. Zach Gallen, rookie card for the Arizona Diamondbacks. And there's an Aquino, Aristides Aquino Heritage rookie card. That's a nice looking card. And Eric Thames, Washington Nationals. I remember going into the, Tony, I remember going into the Kingdome to watch the Seahawks, and that thing just shaking. You thought it was going to collapse when all the fans went crazy. Kris Bryant for the Cubs. Hyunjin Ryu for the Blue Jays. Oh, here's a Wilson Contreras. Wilson Contreras foil card for the Cubs. And let's see. We've got Aaron Savale, or Savale, rookie card for the Cleveland Indians. And then we've got our next autograph, Nick Solak for the Twins. Nick Solak for the Twins. I mean, Texas Rangers, pardon me. Nick Solak for the Texas Rangers. I had a minor, hiccup in my brain there. Sorry about that. I know he plays for the Rangers. All right. For the Cubbies, Kyle Schwarber. For the Blue Jays, Anthony Kay. Anthony Kay, Toronto Blue Jays. For the Indians, Cesar Hernandez. And we have a Master and Apprentice for the Yankees, Don Mattingly and Aaron Judge. That's a sweet card. And let's see, Martin Maldonado for the Houston Astros. For the St. Louis Cardinals, we have rookie Junior Fernandez. For the Boston Red Sox, Rafael Devers. For the Texas Rangers, Corey Kluber. And another Master and Apprentice for the Boston Red Sox. And this is Rafael Devers and David Ortiz. Master and Apprentice. And we have a Hunter Harvey rookie for the Orioles. All right, here we go. Let's see. Marwin Gonzalez for the Twins. And Miguel Cabrera for the Tigers. Jesus Tinoco for the Colorado Rockies. And a modern artist for the Dodgers, Mookie Betts. Mookie Betts. And Joey Votto for the Cincinnati Reds. Joey Votto. All right, here we go. Come on. Oh, looks like they must include one of those in every pack of the artists. Trevor Bauer, Cincinnati Reds. For every box, yeah. Christian Walker for the Arizona Diamondbacks. Jacob deGrom, and this is a private gallery issue. Private issue. Gallery private issue. Jacob deGrom for the Mets. And that is serial numbered 150 out of 250. All right, congratulations. Let's see, that's Scott H. Like those numbered cards. All right, let's see, modern artists. We've got Walker Buehler. Wow, he's a great young talent. Walker Buehler for the Dodgers. Brendan McKay, Tampa Bay, rookie card. And we have another picture of our artist. All right. For the Royals, Whit Merrifield. And for the Mets, Noah Syndergaard. Then we have a Garrett Cole for the Yankees, foil card. And for the Dodgers, we have a Masters, Jackie Robinson. That's a sweet one for the Dodgers. Let's see, Kevin C. got that. I will sleeve that one and probably top load it. Adam Hazley for the Phillies. Adam Hazley. All right, come on. Let's see those big rookies. We've got Mike Tauchman for the Yankees. Mike Tauchman for the Yankees. And Seth Brown, rookie card for the Athletics. And a Dean Dietz, rookie card for the, or not rookie card, Dean Dietz for the Astros. Sorry, not his rookie card. And George Springer for the Astros. And then we got a Nico Horner rookie card for the Cubs. That's a pretty good one. Nico Horner for the Cubbies. Lewis B. All right. Sam Hilliard rookie card for the Colorado Rockies. Mauricio Dubon for the San Francisco Giants. Max Muncy for the Dodgers. Clayton Kershaw for the Dodgers. And Albert Pujols for the Angels. I saw him play his rookie year at Safeco Field, at that time they called it. Was that first full season. It was the game before the regular season started. The last game of spring training, they came north. And we got to go watch him. And he was a rookie. He hit a homer. Things to come. Jacob deGrom, the Mets. Matt Chapman of the A's. Andrew McCutchen for the Phillies. Jordan Montgomery, foil card for the Yankees. Yusei Kikuchi for the Mariners. All right, here we go. Jorge Soler for Kansas City. Then we got Alex Bregman for the Astros. And Tommy Conley for the Yankees. And Giancarlo Stanton for the Yankees, Gallery Heritage. And rookie card, good rookie card, Gavin Lux for the Dodgers. Good pull for the Dodgers. Kevin C. We got Yordan Alvarez rookie card again. Another one of those. It's not an autograph, but rookie. George Springer for the Astros. We got DJ Stewart for the Orioles. And Ronald Acuna Jr. Heritage. That's a pretty card. And Shun Yamaguchi for the Blue Jays. 2 packs left. Come on, and then the top loader. The box loader, sorry. All right. Travis Demeritte, Detroit. Nick Birdie for the Pirates. James Karinchak for the Indians, rookie card. Master and Apprentice for the Padres. Fernando Tatis Jr. and Tony Gwynn. And Garrett Cole for the Yankees. Last pack. Come on, good luck everybody. Let's do something this last pack. Let's see some good ones. For the Indians, Francisco Lindor. For San Diego, Eric Hosmer. And we have a Derek Rodriguez for San Francisco Giants, foil card. Right underneath that, we have a Master and Apprentice for the Dodgers. And that is Kershaw and Walker Buehler, Master and Apprentice. And then Xander Bogaerts for the Red Sox. Xander Bogaerts for the Red Sox. Let's see. Now for the box loader. Well, this is a good box loader. The GOAT, Mike Trout. Mike Trout of the Anaheim Angels. I'll just prop that up right there. All right, thank you for joining me tonight. I know, sorry Dan. Thanks for joining us tonight. I hope that you'll join in again and have better luck next time. We got a few good ones. We got the Mike Trout. We got the Clemente box loader. We got a lot of foil cards. Let's see, here we go. Here's that DeGrom, serial numbered to 250. The private gallery private issue. We have the autograph, Nick Solak. We got Wilson Contreras foil. We got a Seth Brown rookie autograph as well. We got Jack Flaherty foil. We got the Green Hall of Fame Mike Schmidt, and that's numbered to 250. TJ Zeuch foil rookie. We have the Ohtani Green, and that's numbered to 99, 21 out of 99. And the Chris Sale foil, Rizzo foil, Tsugo foil rookie, Bo Bichette foil rookie card, Ozzie Albies foil, a Josh Van Meter rookie, or nope, not rookie, Josh Van Meter autograph, Byron Buxton foil. We got the artist autograph, Dan Gorman artist, signed picture, hand-drawn picture of Chris Bryant. Alex Young foil rookie, Derek Rodriguez, Jordan Montgomery foil, Garrett Cole foil, Wilson Contreras foil, and another Jack Flaherty foil. I think there were two of those in here. Thank you for joining us tonight, and I hope to see you guys in the future in some of our breaks. We have some that are listed right now, some that are pick your team, some in auction format. Got some football that's coming up soon, and so check us out, please. 808 Cardboard Breakers. I appreciate it, and be sure to like our page and follow us, and I'll catch you next time. God bless.